Open the micro SD card slot cover. Remove the single screw. Using a flathead probe, unsnap the back cover from the frame along the edges. Lift up to remove the back cover. Disconnect the battery cable from the system board. Remove the 5 screws that secure the battery to the frame. Lift up to remove the battery. Release the ZIF connector. Disconnect the signal cable. Disconnect the ribbon cables from the system board. Remove the 2 screws that secure the touch control board to the frame. Lift up to remove the touch control board. Release the ZIF connector. Disconnect the signal cable. Remove the 2 screws that secure the micro USB board to the frame. Lift up to remove the micro USB board. Disconnect the vibration motor cable from the system board with care. Using a flathead probe, release the adhesive backing of the motor from the frame. Lift up to remove the vibration motor. Disconnect the power connector cable from the system board. Release the cable from the guide. Pick the power connector from its slot. Remove the single screw that secures the audio connector to the system board. Turn the connector board over. Release the ZIF connector and disconnect the signal cable. Lift up to remove the connector board. Disconnect the speaker cable from the system board. Unroute the cable from the cable guides. Remove the 4 screws that secure the speakers to the frame. Lift up to remove the speakers. Disconnect the antenna cables from the wireless WAN card. Remove the single screw that secures the card to the frame. Pull the card out of the slot and remove it. Disconnect the camera cable from the system board. Pick the camera module out of the enclosure. Release the ZIF connector and disconnect the camera module. Release the ZIF connector. Disconnect the power button board cable from the system board. Remove the single screw that secures the board to the frame. Lift up to remove the power button board. Remove all remaining cables from the system board. Remove the 6 screws that secure the system board to the frame. Release the wireless antenna cable from the guide to make space for the removal. With a probe, release the adhesive backing. Lift the system board up. Disconnect the wireless LAN card on the back side and remove it from the system. Disconnect the 2 antenna cables from the wireless LAN card. Pick the card out of the slot and remove it. Release the wireless LAN antenna cable from the cable guides with care. Using a flathead probe, release the copper taping from the frame. Release the adhesive backing of the antenna with care. Lift up to remove it. Release the copper taping of the second antenna at the location as shown. Release the adhesive backing of the antenna with care. Lift up to remove it. Release the wireless WAN antenna cables from the cable guides. Using a flathead probe, release the copper taping from the frame. Release the adhesive backing of the antenna with care. Lift up to remove it. Release the copper taping of the second antenna at the location as shown. Release the adhesive backing of the antenna with care. Lift up to remove it. Using a flathead probe, release the LVDS securing tape from the frame. Disconnect the LVDS cable from the LCD assembly.